Hey guys, welcome to my brand new video. Today I'm just going to show you a software that is really interesting, that will make you money, that can extract emails from various sources you can see out here, from Google, from Mailbox, Yelp, etc. etc. I will just show you how to make money using this software and product which you do not have to make. If you have your own product, any digital product, that's great. If you do not have, you can just promote somebody else's product and make commission. Okay, so let's get started. I'll be making this video pretty quick so that I do not waste your time a lot. First of all, you just have to click new search. Okay, I'll just show you. You have to click new search and just click on search by keywords. Okay, so there are some of the keywords which I have inserted. You can just edit, or you can add as many keywords as you want. Okay, vacation, work. You can just add as many keywords you want, but 5 to 10 will be pretty much okay. So what this software does is it will extract email addresses of people who are interested in these keywords, that is work at home, who are this software will extract email addresses of people who are interested in work at home, make money online, work at home jobs for moms, single mom jobs, etc. Okay, so all these people will be interested in making money online. We will be extracting email addresses of only those people who will be interested in making money online, and you can choose any country, but United States is the most profitable country which you can ever have, because uh, people from United States have credit card, PayPal, everything, and it's really high converting. Okay, so but don't worry. When everyone is promoting to United States, you can also go and split test with other countries, and you can make money out there also. Okay, so in this example, I just chose United States and the keywords. Okay, so once you click OK, you can see out here that it is it has, the software has extracted lots of URLs related to work at home, related to the keywords which we put in. Okay, so from Yelp, from Bing, it is still extracting all the links, and after it start after the extraction process, it will start showing results out here. You can see out here that it has already started to extract email addresses of people who are interested in making money online. Okay, so in this case, it is extracting email addresses from womensday.com, and it goes on. Okay, so you can see out here that it has already processed 55 links, and in the queue there are more than 1500 links. Okay, so it will keep growing, and if you leave this software for around an hour, you'll have tons and tons of email addresses. Okay, more than 10,000 email addresses within an hour. That's very great. Now what will you do with these email addresses? Okay, so you have the email addresses of people who are interested in making money online. Okay, you have the email addresses of people who are interested in making money online. So head over to clickbank.com. You can see out here, CLICKBANK, clickbank.com. Just go and create an account. It's free to create an account. I'll just show you quickly what you have to do. You just have to go select a country, name, last name, give your phone number, give your genuine phone number, email addresses, and password. Okay, and just create an account out here. And so after creating an account, you just have to log in, or just you can also go to affiliate marketplace. Okay, now you can see out here there are tons of niches out here, all these products. Now this all this product, you can sell any of this product as your own, and you'll get commissions up to 75% from these products. Okay, so you do not have to go with work at home. You can go with yoga niche, you can go with any niche. You can just go and see, okay, recipe niche, cooking niche. You can see out here there are lots and lots of offers out here. Okay, just since we inserted work at home keywords on the software, and let's go to e-business and e-marketing. Okay, now you can see there are tons of offers out here. All these offers, all these products, actually, these are all digital products which can be sold very easily, and you'll make commission. Okay, now for this CB University, you'll make $298.28 per sale. Okay, average dollar per sale. And you will also, you can see out here, the average reveal is 177.3. Okay, so you can just go and play around with this, but just choose products according to popularity or gravity. Okay, so popularity and gravity is those products are getting sold a lot. Okay, the conversions are very high. With gravity, you can see out here 63 gravity, you can see out here 195 gravity. Means this product is more people are promoting this product, and because the conversion are really high. Okay, so how you can promote, uh, actually, if you ask me, just forget the first three, and then after that go for from start from the fourth, because first three all the big marketers will be promoting, and you'll get tons of sales because the conversions are high, but you may not get sales every day. Okay, so if you go with fourth, fifth, sixth offer, then you'll get more conversions and you can make more money. So you can see out here, just make sure that the product has a reveal, because once you sell this product to a person, you'll get monthly recurring income for life. So that's very good for long term. Okay, so just click this promote button and just give your account name. Okay, my account nickname is crazy123, and if don't even have to log in to get the links, the hop links. Okay, so once you create an account, so this is the link which you have to promote. Okay, this is the link which will get tracked, and all the sales occurring from this link, you'll get a commission accordingly. Okay, commissions, you can see out there 50% commission. You can, all these are 50% commission. Okay, so in this you get 10% commission, etc. Okay, so you are let's see what the software is doing. The software is just extracting more email addresses. It will take some time to extract, but what I want to tell is, now all these people will be interested in making money online. Okay, now you have a product related to making money online. So if you send 5,000 emails per day, if you send 5,000 emails per day, even if you get 10 sales, you are already making more than $500 per day. Okay, so it's very easy. You extract email addresses, but make sure, because you are sending a cold email. Okay, you are sending cold email, and according to CAN and some laws, you are not allowed to send cold emails without an unsubscribe button. So make sure you, in your first line, you can just write, please, if you do not want to receive any further emails from us, you can subscribe immediately, and you have to give the subscribe link. Okay, so if you want an email sender software, I know one, I'll just give the link below. You have to set up your SMTP. Make sure you go and contact the support, so that they will set it up for you. Okay, don't come asking me how to set up an email sender software. Email sender, you have to download an email sender software, and after that you have to just make the settings for SMTP. You have to get the SMTP, but remember, okay, I just want to, what is this captcha thing, just leave it. Okay, but there is one thing. Let's just stop this software. I'll just show you how to extract the email addresses. For now, I'm just stopping for this video. You can see out here that it's still extracting emails. I leave it for 1 hour. Okay, now you can just export using Excel, or you can just copy to clipboard, or you can just save to file. Okay, so it will take some time to create the worksheet for you, the email addresses for you guys. And where was I? Okay, while sending email, you can also do it, you can also send free from Gmail. Okay, just make 10 Gmail accounts, and per Gmail you can send 500 emails per day per Gmail account. So if you just make 10 Gmail accounts and send 500 emails per day per account, so you are sending 5,000 emails. So if you just get, even just if you just get 2 sales, you are already making 61 into 2, that is $120 per day. Now, I'll also be sending you an ebook about cold emailings, okay? How to do cold emailings, what to write, what not. But all you have to do is you have to get this software from the link uh, in this video, that is topemailextractor.com, and just go to this link and you'll be taken to the software page. Let's extract, and you have to get the business edition, because the business edition of the software is very very cool edition. You can see out here the emails has been extracted. uh, these are few emails which have been extracted. Now all these emails will be targeted emails. For this example, I just extracted a few emails in a matter of few minutes, but you can just leave the software and extract around 5,000 emails very very easily, okay? Just to extract 5,000. Now my students are doing more than 5,000 emails. They are extracting around 20,000 emails every day, working just few hours and leaving your laptop a few hours open, and they're making a lot of money. Actually, they're making more money than me, because I have a lot of other works and I do this on weekends, and I make a lot of money. Because while sending email, you just have to you don't send. Okay, I'll just give you a tip. Do not send a link in your first email. You have to follow up with people. Okay, you just talk, provide value. If you provide value, people will start liking your emails. The more email they open, the more authority you get on your emails, okay? So just don't go and just spam around by sending emails with all links, etc. In your first emails, just talk about what you are and what how you can help them about making money online. Just talk about that, and if people unsubscribe, just forget it, delete that email and do not send any emails to that person again, and so on, okay? Then all those people who are interested, just segment it, okay? Just segment it, who's all the open rates, etc., etc. Just track everything, and you'll be making a lot of money. In order to use, if you want to use a good tracker, there is a tracker called ClickMagick. I'll leave the link below this video. Use the ClickMagick to track all your emails, so that you know who are clicking, who are not clicking, who are opening your emails, etc., etc. And this way you will make a lot of money, okay? So it's very very easy. You extract emails from this software, and you come to clickbank.com and find the product related to the keywords which you have inserted, and just find products. There are lots and lots of product, and if you do not want to if you do not know what niche to go on, you can just go and see all these various niches, okay? You can see all these various niches. Winemaking is also a very profitable niche. Recipes are profitable niche. I'll just go quickly and tell you, okay? Travel niche, I've not worked with travel niche. Sports niche is also very very profitable. Software and service is good, and let's say health and fitness, this niche is good. Gaming niche is good. Employment and jobs are always good. E-marketing business, okay? I'll just go out here. Affiliate marketing is good, okay? So blog marketing is good. Classified advertising, e-commerce is the best one. Yeah, and SEO SEM is also a good niche, okay? So there are lots of niches. You just have to go and try, and you'll surely make a lot of money. So go ahead, go and get the software, download the software, and you can also try it for free, but you won't be able to export it. So just go and get the software. It's not so costly. The business edition cost $69, and the normal edition will cost you $49. But I highly recommend you to go and get the business edition, because it is the best edition. It is powerful, it is smooth, this software always works, okay? This software always works. And I'll quickly go and just show you other features. It can extract emails from mailbox, and it can also extract email addresses from yellow page. It's called Yelp, okay? So if you want to find, if you have a product which is related to particular business, suppose spa business, so you can extract all the email addresses of spa owners, okay? And you can just choose any keyword, like restaurant owners, let's say. So if you just type in a restaurant out here, and you can just go and select a country where you can where you can provide the service. You can just go and get all the email addresses of a particular business, where you can promote any product related to their business. Okay, it can be a e-commerce product, etc, etc, and you'll make a lot of money. Come on, guys, you just have to try, and you'll surely start seeing money in whatever business you are in. Okay, you can also extract emails from Twitter, but from email extraction from Facebook, it's not working right now, because Facebook has just changed their algorithm, and Facebook has changed its algorithm, and I tried extracting emails from Facebook groups, but nowadays Facebook does not allow anyone to extract emails from their Facebook groups. Okay, so but I think this it will come back again. This feature will come back again. But other than that, this software is awesome. You need to have this. It's a one-time payment of $69, and you get lifetime updates. And this is the software which every marketer should have. Okay, now don't just go and spam around. Just try to provide value, and everything will be okay. Okay, I do not want you guys to get the software and just spam all the links in an email. That way you won't be profitable, and nothing will, even the person receiving the emails won't be happy, and you won't get sales, and you also won't be happy. So if you want both of you to be happy, just give your best, provide value, and I'll just leave a link to get the ebook, for cold emailing. Okay, how to be successful by sending cold emails. Okay, I'll just give you a link below, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. I take you to my leave, and bye bye. Okay.